Welcome back to Tronify Tech, the spot where your everyday drive turns into a smarter, safer, and way cooler experience. Today we're diving into 20 insanely useful car gadgets available on Amazon that upgrade your ride from the moment you hit the start button. Some of these tools feel straight out of the future, and once you see them, you'll wish you had them years ago. Hit that subscribe button so you never miss the gear that transforms your car into a tech-powered machine. Look at wireless backup camera. Parking in tight spots shouldn't feel like defusing a bomb. The look at wireless backup camera gives you a crystal clear rear view without drilling, wiring, or visiting a shop. Just snap its smart plate frame onto your license plate, pair it with your phone, and boom, instant wide-angle visibility. It even activates automatically when you reverse, so you're not fumbling with apps. Rain, nighttime, glare, doesn't matter, its sensor adapts on the fly. If you want peace of mind every time you back out, this is the gadget that delivers. LED wheel ring lights. Want your ride to steal the spotlight at night? These LED wheel ring lights wrap your wheels with vibrant, smooth-flowing color that looks straight out of a car show. Each ring is packed with bright LEDs that cycle through endless colors, patterns, and effects right from your smartphone. They're weatherproof, brake-friendly, and built to survive road grit and rough seasons. Whether you're cruising the highway or pulling into a meet, these lights turn heads before you even open the door. Ejaisu car tissue holder. Ever need a tissue while driving and end up digging through cup holders or door pockets? This sleek leather tissue case mounts right to your visor or headrest, giving you instant access without taking up space. It keeps tissues clean, flat, and easy to grab with one hand, perfect for families, commuters, and allergy season. Plus, it adds a bit of luxury to your interior without trying too hard. Toolwiz universal magnetic camber gauge. Ever swap wheels or adjust suspension and wonder if your alignment is even close to correct? This universal magnetic camber gauge snaps right onto your brake rotor and gives you instant angle readings. No guesswork, no eyeballing. It's perfect for DIYers who tune their own stance, off-roaders adjusting for rough terrain, or anyone who wants tire wear to stop draining their wallet. With its solid magnetic base and simple scale, you can dial in your camber like a pro, right in your driveway. Launch X431 Pro V5.0 diagnostic tool. Forget running to the mechanic every time a mystery light hits your dashboard. The Launch X431 Pro V turns your phone-sized device into a full-blown diagnostic station. It scans your engine, transmission, ABS, airbag systems, pretty much every module in your vehicle, and pulls up real-time data in seconds. Bi-directional testing lets you command components directly, like cycling pumps or checking actuators. If you've ever wanted dealership-level control without the dealership bill, this gadget is the definition of a power tool. 70mm dash cam. A good dash cam isn't just about recording, it's about capturing the details that matter. The 70mm delivers clean, wide-angle footage with sharp night vision, and it even rotates so you can monitor side windows or the cabin. Time-lapse parking mode keeps watch while you're away, and motion detection wakes it instantly if something bumps your car. Whether you're commuting or road tripping, having reliable proof has never been more essential, and this cam nails it. CERAKOTE Ceramic Trim Coat Kit. Faded plastic trim can make even a clean car look tired. CERAKOTE's ceramic trim coat brings it back to life with a deep, factory-new finish that actually lasts. Just wipe the solution across your dull trim and watch the color snap back instantly. The ceramic formula bonds to the surface, resisting rain, sun, wash cycles, everything. No greasy shine, no streaky mess, just a rich, restored look that holds for months. If your trim is looking chalky, this kit is pure magic. TOPDON BT300P battery tester. Ever get that sinking feeling when your car struggles to start? Before you end up stuck somewhere, the TOPDON BT300P gives you an instant health report on your battery. It checks cold cranking amps, voltage, internal resistance, everything a mechanic would test, right from your hand. The built-in printer even spits out a receipt-style report you can keep or show a shop. Engine cleaning spray gun. If you love a spotless engine bay but hate the scrubbing, this pneumatic cleaning spray gun is your new best friend. It blasts out a swirling air and solution mix that lifts grease from crevices brushes can't reach. Oil stains, dust buildup, sticky grime, gone in seconds. Just hook it to an air compressor, load your cleaner, and fog away the mess. Professional detailers swear by these because they clean faster and deeper with way less effort. Your engine has never looked this fresh. CarPC AA Dongle. Still rocking wired Android Auto? This tiny CarPC AA Dongle turns your old setup into a fully wireless, ultra-responsive smart display. Plug it in once, and it automatically connects every time you start the engine. You get faster app loading, smoother maps, and zero cable clutter. It even allows split-screen multitasking and runs lightweight apps right from the dongle itself. If you want your car's infotainment to feel modern without replacing the whole stereo, this gadget is a game changer. LISEN retractable car charger say goodbye to cables that tangle around your shifter. This retractable fast charging adapter hides the cord inside a compact shell, then extends smoothly whenever you need it. It powers up to 3 devices at once with high-speed charging: phones, tablets, power banks, you name it. And when the road gets bumpy, the cable locks in place so it won't yank loose. Clean, organized, and ridiculously convenient for everyday drives. Headlight Restoration Kit. Foggy, yellowed headlights don't just look bad, they kill your nighttime visibility. This restoration kit brings them back to a clear, glass-like shine without sanding your fingers raw. Apply the cleaning solution, buff lightly, and seal it with the protective top coat. Within minutes, your headlights look brighter, newer, and way safer. It's one of those cheap upgrades that make your entire car look years younger. Tite Reach Extension Wrench. Ever try loosening a bolt buried so deep you can barely see it? The Tite Reach Extension Wrench solves that nightmare instantly. It transfers the torque from your ratchet straight to hard-to-reach spots, letting you turn bolts without scraping your knuckles or bending your wrists at weird angles. Mechanics use it to reach behind engines, inside wheel wells, and under tight suspension parts. If you love DIY car work, this tool feels like unlocking a cheat code for accessibility. SURDOCA Car Trunk Organizer. If your trunk looks like a chaotic black hole of tools, groceries, and random gear, this SURDOCA organizer will save your sanity. It straps right onto your back seats and gives you multiple deep pockets made from heavy-duty Oxford fabric. No collapsing, no sliding, and no wasted floor space. Perfect for road trips, emergency kits, detailing supplies, or anything that needs a permanent home. One install and your trunk transforms from messy to masterfully organized. Car door lock latch covers. It's a tiny detail, but one that instantly cleans up the look of your doors. These durable latch covers snap over the exposed metal hooks on your door frame, giving them a sleek, factory-finished appearance. They protect against rust, reduce scratches, and even muffle a bit of wind noise. Whether you're into clean aesthetics or just hate seeing raw hardware, this upgrade is quick, cheap, and surprisingly satisfying. DieseRC Remote Control System. Ever wish you could control auxiliary lights, compressors, or add-on accessories without running a mess of switches through your cabin? The DieseRC Wireless Control System gives you that freedom. It installs easily, pairs instantly, and lets you toggle your devices from a compact remote. No drilling, no dashboard clutter. Perfect for off-road lights, LED bars, winches, or any 12-volt add-on. With strong signal range and delay-free switching, it feels like giving your car its own remote-controlled superpowers. Hypersonic Windshield Wiper Stand Mount. If your wipers keep sticking, streaking, or wearing out faster than they should, this hypersonic stand mount helps extend their life. It props your wipers off the glass when parked, reducing heat damage, preventing blade deformation, and stopping them from freezing to the windshield during winter. It installs in seconds and makes every wiper change smoother since the arms lift cleanly. A small upgrade that protects a surprisingly important part of your daily drive. Android car stereo screen protector. Touchscreens scratch easily, and replacing them costs way more than anyone wants to spend. This tempered protector shields your Android car display from fingerprints, glare, scratches, and micro swirls. It keeps colors sharp, touch responds fast, and the surface clean with an easy wipe coating. Once installed, it blends in perfectly, like it came from the factory. Simple protection that can save you hundreds down the road. Navdy portable heads-up display. Driving while glancing down at your dashboard is old news. The Navdy portable HUD projects your speed, directions, calls, and alerts right onto a transparent screen in front of you, almost like a mini AR display floating above your hood. Hand gestures let you answer calls or navigate menus without taking your eyes off the road, and its bright projection stays clear in daylight or at night. It's one of the closest things to bringing a premium, luxury HUD into any car. No rewiring required. VVIVID Suede Vinyl Wrap. Want your interior to feel high-end without paying for a custom upholstery job? This VVIVID Suede Vinyl Wrap gives your dash, pillars, console, and trim a soft, premium look and texture. It stretches easily around curves, sticks smoothly with heat, and looks surprisingly close to real Alcantara. Trendy, durable, and perfect for anyone who loves customizing their cabin. Once you wrap a few pieces, you'll start looking around for more spots to upgrade. And that wraps up today's lineup of 20 insanely useful car gadgets that can transform your ride's safety, style, and convenience. Which one impressed you the most? Drop your pick down in the comments. I'm always curious which gadget hits hardest for you. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, tap subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next drop of must-have car tech. Thanks for watching Tronify Tech.